In the previous video on flooring, we discussed some of the whys of choosing your replacement. Today, we'll look at some of those flooring choices. To quickly review, when considering an upgrade to your flooring, you need to think about it's going to get messy during the work, don't settle, pick the best flooring and adjust your budget, unity, let your flooring flow through the home to make it seem larger and seamless, timeliness, avoid the trendy and pick flooring that will stand the test of time, keep geometric color and other designs in smaller spaces, climate, will your flooring withstand the kind of use the weather demands? Remember durability along with affordability. Think long-term maintenance. Do some homework about the various flooring choices you have. Here are a few pros and cons. Hardwood flooring is beautiful but can fall on the more expensive side. The pros? With proper care, it can last a lifetime, can be refinished without ripping it out, provides a classic look and works well with many design styles. The cons? Price. Easily damaged by moisture and scratching, requires regular refinishing. Carpet is soft and warm under your feet, has a lower cost, and provides more cushioning for fragile individuals. The cons include it is easily stained or damaged by foot traffic and pets, increases the allergen levels in your home, and has a shorter lifetime than other materials. Tile is the most durable of flooring materials, is easy to clean, and offers many styles and designs to choose from. But tile is also very difficult to remove and replace. The grout gets dirty quickly, and it can be cold and uncomfortable under bare feet. And finally, laminate or vinyl is affordable and easy to install, can be installed over existing flooring, and has many designs to choose from. But it may also be susceptible to water damage, cannot be refinished, and can look outdated more quickly. Take your time when considering the type of flooring. Do your homework and visit several dealers to find options that work with your budget. Call or text me with questions about upgrades to your home.